Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making rice, chapatis, tortillas or patties. So what we have to do first, get some rice. We crush some rice, but if you have, you can just use rice flour from the supermarket. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing. We need you to make 1,000 subscribers. Subscription is free. And the subscribers and returning viewers, you're welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Now you have to remember that this flour we're making at home cannot be as smooth as that one we buy from the supermarket. So it can't be as smooth as the other one, but it is also good. So we're going to get some eggs, then we put some salt, baking powder and baking soda, then whisk them. Now the rice flour. Now when you finish mixing, you let it rest for 10 minutes. It will thicken a little, so don't thicken it before it rests. Make it a little light so that it can thicken a little, and when you want to fry, it is already thick, but not very thick. You see the consistency that we want. On a pan, spread some oil, and then you pour the butter on, and also spread it to make a chapati or tortilla. When the lower part is cooked, flip it over. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes each side, and it's done. So there you have your rice, tortillas, chapatis or patties. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Enjoy. See you in the next video.